If you find that your pork chops tend to be dry or chewy, I want to share a few tips with you that'll change that forever. First of all, you want to make sure you start off with pork chops that are all about the same thickness. That way they'll cook evenly. And when it comes to seasoning them, don't be stingy. For these, I'm dredging them in some seasoned flour before browning them in butter. Once they're browned, we take them out, add in a bit of garlic, some chopped tomatoes and sliced mushrooms, a touch of browning and seasoning sauce, chopped parsley, and a splash of white wine or chicken broth. After that simmers for a bit, the chops go back in and everything cooks on low until the pork is cooked to medium or medium well. And whatever you do, don't overcook the chops or they'll dry out. According to the USDA, it's perfectly safe to cook pork until it's slightly pink inside, about 145 degrees. Once they're done, make sure you let them rest a few minutes, which is also a trick to keeping these tender as can be. When you serve these with our flavor-packed sauce, get ready to dig into chops that'll raise the bar on how good pork can be. The recipe for our mouth-watering pork chops is online now, so you can add this to your dinner routine. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a mouth-watering way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.